Okay, in this video we're going to talk about modifying a golf cart. So you notice we have a back seat here. We have the back seat on our Yamaha golf cart. What we've done is we've added on the side cup holders and armrest, and then also this safety bar here to hold on to and press your foot against when you're on the back seat. Very dangerous to have a back seat without one of those bars, in my opinion. The two items we purchased were the MadJax rear safety grab bar, and it fits the MadJax rear seat. So you can see there's the MadJax rear seat. I was going to do an install video, but it's so simple to install, it's not really worth it. It comes with 4 bolts. They're pre-drilled and the holes are already there since it's the MadJax. When you put it in, just loosen each bolt, barely put them in each side, don't tighten them down. After you get all 4 bolts in, then tighten it down. Same story with the universal armrest, no drill bracket installation. You just put these U brackets on the bottom of each arm and then tighten them down with a bolt. So you can see here what we did was we put the armrest on, U bracket screws into the bottom, then you put a bolt across, and that really holds it. One of the things that's important to remember when you are installing this is the MadJax rear seat folds out. So you have to be sure to put your safety bar and your armrest facing outward. And I'll show you, when you lift this up, you want to make sure it clears the armrest. If you installed them backwards, you wouldn't be able to open your seat up for storage when you go to, you know, Walmart or Target or something like that. So anyway, again, real easy to install. It was the MadJax safety bar and then the universal armrests. Thank you.